sleepy. Dade. Dead ma. Hi, Tias. You're in a heart loop. Ito, mag-filter tapos biri. Kuan si mami sa filter. Oh, dari mi stop sa mi sa Wata Burgor. So, later magtanaw na mi sa Nida. Sonic 3. Among snacks baon, snacks bag. Shakes for mom. Good job, Ezekiel. Look, what? Uy, let's go. Excited na si let's go. Si Matias. Cinemark. Op. Singing pa sa ABCD, guys. Oh, ay happy daw siya. I think it's gonna be boring. Ezekiel. Ezekiel, it's gonna be boring, I think. What do you think? Super boring?
No.
Fun. Hindi siya, oh. Si Sonic Boy ba? Excited kasi Sonic Boy. Ay. Sila, eh. For here, auditorium, 1 to 10.
He signs up to like.
Go take a picture, dali. So, muna ang ilang excited today. Si Sonic 3. Excited na, dagan-dagan na, oh. Nani pa iuwit, kaya video pag si mother. Video is live. Excited kasi ay. Excited kasi kid. Ang date nila date. Wala pa nagsugod 1:45 pa mag-start. So mag-try. Video sa kuka snow pa man. No, a lot of people.
The suspense. We love that
So
you're
we're here
here.
on the side. Dito. Cheese!
Here is $3. Thank you.
Dula-dula.
Just won't quit. Gotta do
Dula-dula na sa ilang bangko. Kaya mag-up and down na ng bangko. So video sa si mother. Because it's not yet starting. Later, hindi na mag-video. It's bawal mag-video pag nag-movie.
Matias, look at Matias. Night now. Daddy is looking for snacks. Popcorn. Ezekiel, you like this one, huh? Because last time, guys, wild robot. Wild trivia is the most movie trivia in Norway. With so many ways to play, academic challenges, friendly competition, and new games every week. It's the most up-to-date movie trivia challenge out there. To meet your passion, download the app today. Normal lang. Hindi tayo niya. Some people just love it because they have hundreds of contracts. Like mga bata. Wait, you check out the Please stay warm, family. What you doing? Yeah, checking first is smart. So, triple stay first for a quote that saving hundreds. You're good, man. Triple stay. Nanay ko, batanganan o kuwan. Magkaon. Malamisa. Ha? Silence na the phone.
You were made to chase your passions. We were made.
Si daddy nabot na. Kuha siya popcorn. Thank you, love.
Don't miss the big moment. What? Have your cooking popcorn ready to go with mobile ordering.
Can you believe that? No.
Pag-apod-apod na ni daddy. Okay, para mga popcorn pot me.
Our traditions. Are rooted
Go drink ice, Ezekiel. Up a little bit your
Kung
chair.
Fu.
Go ahead, finish it. What are you waiting for? Do it. I'm right here. You let your pain change who you are. In here. This is not who I am. What are you doing? You won. Take your revenge. There are no winners with revenge. Give me that sunset, give me that ride, give me those stars out, 4-wheel drive, taking that back, oh yeah, once I know, do a little two-step, do see-do, turn it up loud, bring it back round, take it up high and drop it low. We do this everywhere we go, I think you know this ain't no, I think you know that we know.
Lay daw sila. Ay, ano ila ha? Humanog sa lida. Laying. Huh? Gonna play that? Go wait for daddy. Uy! 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 Sa ilahang arcade area. Sa Ezekiel. Let's see if we can get. Oh man! It's hard ani mag-claw machine. So dari asa mi. Oh gosh. Play sila here. Favorite nila ang dulaon dire. Ay na nila ba ang pine? Madadari alang ito dito. Sa malipay na sila bila ito. Isa. Oh, diri na lang sa dulaan na car. Cause di man ta ka-drive og tinuod nga car. Saturday. Ay, diyan na po daw siya. Daddy wants to play with this one. The opponent is Daddy. Fans lang si Ezekiel, fans. 1 versus 1. Uy. He's really having fun, oh. Si Invincible daw siya, Invincible. Toto na. Invincible daw siya, oh. Si Daddy. Hop! Irmine Matias. Look! 3 points, Matias! Buta, dula-dula naman lang silang kinamot. Aman! Which one?
I want that Deadpool.
Okay. Do it. No, go right there. No, what you do? What's in there? Oh. Oh. Yep, it's hard. In this one, it's hard. Chances are 0%. There's Nintendo Switch, right?
No, I'm gonna try one more time.
Oh, it should be number 1.
Yeah.
If you want number 1, you will get it.
Yeah.
Oy, Daddy will try again. Nah, very impossible to get all these things. Oh,
I'm gonna try one more.
game over. Abangers o mga abangers. Nothing. Gana point na lap.
No.
So what do you do? What do
You
you
get
do?
it perfectly through that hole, that S.
Oh, there's S hole.
No, it's not an S hole. If you get it within that one section.
Oh, I'm not even. Kuan, didn't get the mechanism. Oh. We'll see.
I don't think so.
Oopsies. It's hard man claw machine ay.
Okay, come on, play.
Only right if you're lucky. There's Jurassic Park. The one you guys like. Which one you like, Matias?
You gonna play that one again?
Sorry lang siya. Oh. Go pag shooting, Ezekiel. Mag-shooting. So, muna sila ng ilang ganahan. There's one, there's Aliens, Armageddon. Go right in, they're shooting in there, Ezekiel. Jurassic Park. So, muna ilang ganahan, dulaon din eh. Sa theater. Dari daw ko lingkod. So, muna mong feeling. So, higda ka dari. So, 2 player. So, nadira ang mga laks. Mga laksa.
T-Rex losing Bravo sector.
Wala ko gibutangan og kuan. Ah, it's the bus. Ezekiel. We get the bus. Green. There. Go, go. Reload. Dati na nakuha, nagkubos.
Even if it's ordinary life, believe in now and better days. Coming home my home, see that time to me. In the darkest days, the other days, I wake up to warm embrace. You and the faith, see that time to me.
Slide.
You know, do 3 days back. Only video, no waste the end video. Try to.
Good job, Ezekiel. Yeah, we did play before with Eloise. Oh, you okay? You okay? Lava monster na si Matias.
No, I don't want to play that good game. I don't want to play that game.
Ikaw-uwi doon ang isa. Oy, very uwi.
No.
Circle. Okay, your turn, Matias. Oh, yeah, your ex. Which one? Yeah, that one.
Circle.
Yep.
And I'll put it right here.
Oh! Yeah, we win! Ezekiel win! Maybe you don't see it, love.
Okay, now
What?
Mom versus Matthias.
Hello, Mom versus Matias. Okay. Whoop. Circle. Okay. Circle.
X.
Oi! Circle.
X.
Oi! What I'm gonna do? Circle.
X.
Oh,
Uh-oh! Whoa, 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 whoa! Think, think, think! I'm almost gonna win! Which one? I give you a chance. I give you a chance.
You already did it.
He already did it? I win. Look. Beep, beep, beep.
I can't.
Matias, good game. Matias, good game. Cancel lang. Duyan, duyan.
I got with my couch.
Okay.
Oh no! Be careful, Daddy. Chill off. Is that intense? Too high.
I thought I'm going to
We look at Ezekiel. Ezekiel's gonna go in the airplane. Ay! Ay! Now Matthias wants to go in the airplane. Yeah, Matthias know how to swing. Oi! Ay! What you doing? Hello? Be careful! Yeah, keep your legs up now so yours just won't
That way you don't slow down.
out. He likes it. He just wants like help, help. He's waiting for you. Babe, don't scare him, Nak. Matthias, stop it. He's scaring Ezekiel. Hey, don't scare him, please. Matthias. Matthias, no. Mga nightmares man ni ay. Ay, nako. Be careful.
You can't hold on while the goose is kicking him down.
Oh gosh.
He deserves to fall.
No. Nini. Bibi, oh.
Cheese.
Bibi ni Mamang. Big boy na ang bibi ni Mamang.
That's a cheese.
Chiza! Chiza, chiza. Oi!
Cheese.
Chiza, 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 chiza.
Chifa, chifa, chifa.
Oi, nice song. Si Ezekiel, oh. Nagyaw-yaw. Nagyaw-yaw si Manong.
Yo, 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 yo,
Si Yaw-yaw si Manong.
yo, yo, yo.
I said Yaw-yaw si Manoy. Manong.
Yes, I don't go back down with this thing.
You gonna go back down? Okay. You think you can go down now? Wait, Matthias. Wait, love. Good job. Yay! Wait, saan Matthias?
It's slower than him.
You're slower.
Can you let's rock?
Taking your time, taking your time. So look at, they will.
They tell you keep it right.
Ikaw eh. Hindi na po. The Spider-Man is climbing. Spider-Man. 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 Ubak daw na po. This is kani sila. Kani ang lang energy. Energy. Woohoo! Kani hapon na mo.
I just need the cornstarch to thicken it up a little.
That looks good. Ship ko. Angry sip cook. Uy. Maong naka meatballs mo me today guys kay ang Matthias na miss doon niya ang meatball. Na remember niya ba the other day meatballs daw amahan alit po din sa meatballs niya ko na ingredients. So yummy yummy. Ang sauce niya guys, ang sauce the sauce lang mo is there is a pineapple syrup na lang like the
I
pineapple.
use the juice from the pineapples.
Yeah. Ano sila pineapple slices juice anak niya. Talis-talis na siya. Tapos yung butangan po ni Daddy nila ang pineapple slices. Tapos sweet pepper, brown sugar, and cornstarch to take in the sauce. Para kuan siya kanang siya tawag na sa Bisaya eh. Kanang laut-laut
Okay.
tawag na mo.
This is it.
1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Para malaut-laut niya siya. Yeah, you don't need lot. Just to take in the sauce. Ming Ming. Ming Ming Ming. It's feeling music na na. Oh, like one. Very good, chip. Angry chip. Look at that face. That's why he's angry chip. So guys,
I was looking for bacon or cornstarch.
if
You hit it.
the angry chip will go, look at the cabinet. Very open.
Did I
Open.
hide the cornstarch?
What?
Did I hide the cornstarch?
Ay, nako. Tama na siya, guys.
So inaana pud ba ang inyong bana guys magluto na okay, I'm the one cooking dinner today, and then every minute will say, where is the salt, where is the sugar, where is the cornstarch, where is the thing, where is this thing na nabuhay. Ako na lang magluto dong.
Thank you for watching. Gunta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.